Okay, I'd say we're through about 20% of the build out that's going to be required to deliver us the AI revolution, the biggest change in our world in my lifetime, and I've been around for a little over 81 years. And so I think it's important for you to understand how the payout is going to work and recognize that the big payout is yet to come. I had some learnings over the last couple of days that I think pointed out. I had one of my tribe members. Best of Us Investors is built on a tribe of about 1,000 people who crowdfund the idea that we can be better investors if we work together. And he gave me a ticker symbol. It was AXON. AXON. This is a company that used to be a taser company, and it does its work in the field of law enforcement. And it's basically bringing AI into the law enforcement field. As I researched the stock, I recognized that my wife likes the show on TV, FBI, and it always opens up and Jubal, the head of the group, says, "Okay, people," and in his background he has about 20 people sitting on computers, and their job is to find the person that the FBI is pursuing, whether it be a murder or a robbery or whatever. And I watch them as they say, "Okay, does he have an automobile registered?" And they said, "Yes." "Okay, then let's access their GPS and find out where they are." "Okay, go to their social media and find out everything that you can and who they're associated with and who they took to the prom and when they were 16 or 18 years old." And I'm so impressed at all of the data that is available to this FBI group to help them solve a problem, even down to ping his phone and find out where he is, and then access his texts and see who he's communicating with. And I think, wow, this is amazing, and this is the use of AI. Well, that's what I recognized after I had Samantha do the research on AXON. That's what I realized they did. But they do it for local police forces. They don't have the database that the FBI has, so they have the database that the local police station has, and then a cumulative database from the United States crime scenes, and they inform local police departments, sheriff's departments, to give them the ability that the show that I watch on TV, FBI, has achieved. And I realized that so anyway, I gave it to Samantha, and Samantha came back and said, "No, this company does not meet your standard of achieving a 3x return or a 2x return over the next 3 years. They're going to fall a little bit short." So I went to bed and I thought about it and I said, my goodness, this company, this is huge. I can't imagine that they aren't going to grow. So I went and I looked at the chart, and I saw that they had gone from somewhere in the neighborhood of $300 a share in 2024 to $900 a share in 2025, and then they dropped starting in 2026, something in the neighborhood of 60% of lost value. And then over the last 4 days, they had a 30% run up. And I said, I got to figure out what is happening here, because they had this immediate turnaround, because I think this is going to be one of the big companies in the payout. So I looked at their financial statements, and what I realized was back when they dropped, their earnings had dropped substantially for that specific quarter. And when I went and looked at it, I saw that it came from two places. One, a big expenditure for investment in outside tech, and secondly, they had given in tax-based compensation 110% of their revenues that year, which destroyed their financial statement, and that's why their earnings dropped so fast. But now, as they're projecting what their earnings are going to be, and they're being able to tell the market that they're running at a 125% retention rate. That is, that their existing customers are all 100% staying with them and adding new products at 25%. I said, this is going to turn right around and go from its $300 price today back to the $900 price it was roughly a year and a half ago, or about 3 quarters ago. And so I went back, I went to my AI agent, Samantha, and I said, you did a review for me just yesterday on AXON, and I think you got it wrong. And I took her to the chart and I explained it to her. Now, and I said, now you reevaluate this based on this added information and tell me what you think AXON is going to do with that information. Well, Samantha came back in 20 minutes and said, Kerry, you were right. We did not pick up on this. We did not see. We saw the high comp, but we didn't connect the dots. And this stock is going to get you what you're looking for, and that is a 2x return in 3 years, if not greater. And I said to myself, that's the kind of information that my tribe needs to know, that AI can do so much, but it needs input. I mean, I can use the same prompt for every stock, but I have to be in a position to go in and give my input based upon my knowledge and what I see and what I recognize. And because what I recognized was the magnitude of this business based upon my knowledge of FBI. Okay, I think it's a NBC program. Watch it and you'll see, and they'll say, okay, people, and he puts them all together. And then, so then I got to thinking about who else might this apply to. And there's another show that I really enjoy, and that's called The Pit. And it's on, I think it's actually on HBO. And it follows the activity of the emergency unit in Pittsburgh's emergency unit hospital. And what I realized is everybody who comes into that emergency room, they know absolutely nothing about. They have no access to their medical records. They have no access to their financial, their family history, their ancestry. They know nothing about their medications. They know absolutely nothing when that person comes in to the emergency. Totally opposite of the situation that I see on the FBI. And what I realized is this AI will find its way to that emergency room. It's not there yet. Is it in the medical field? No. When I have a heart condition. So when I go to my doctor and I've had my blood work done, he gets out a copy, or on a computer, a copy of my previous blood work, and he compares it to the one that he has. He visually does the comparison. No AI does it for them. He did not know about my AFib until I told him about it, because I was alerted of it by my watch, by my Fitbit. The medical industry is nowhere near where the FBI is, or where AXON is going to bring your local police department and your sheriff's department. They are nowhere in the fight, in the AI world yet. And I share that with you because that's where the big potential is. When they can compare my heart, who has a 5-inch or a 5-centimeter aorta when it's supposed to be 3.5, when they can compare that to every other human heart in the world that has a 5-centimeter aorta and should be 3.5. The amount of medical knowledge that will be available will be equal to what the FBI can do about pinging your car or your phone so that they can find you or know who you had dinner with last week. Nowhere near it. And that's where the money is going to flow so that you're invested in the right companies, but you won't know that unless you have access to AI to make better investment decisions like I do. Look, I built my AI agent. Jensen says he's going to give me even a better one who will actually go find the stocks. I won't have to search for them and do the work while I'm asleep and deliver it to me. And then yesterday I saw that this video will be an avatar in 6 months. And it'll have all my movements, all my activity, my voice, and it will live forever. All someone will have to do is say, compare AXON and the FBI and the pit and make a video out of it, and it'll happen. And now download it to Best of Us Investors and share it with his tribe and share the prices on Kerry's tell sheet so they can, like Kerry, make more money than he has ever seen in his life. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I'd sure appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel so that maybe YouTube would recognize this guy's doing something nobody else is. He really understands this AI stuff. Talk to you again soon.